Hi guys, welcome back to Lamp Boy YouTube channel. Today's video is about the Spiralarm S model, manufactured by H Naylor. It's quite a beast. I've just got it here at the side of a JR6S lamp, and you can see it's quite a height difference to it. H Naylor made the Spiralarm. They did the mining version, the Type M, and they did a sewer version, Type S, which the sewer version was used in all of the utilities and petroleum tanks and stuff like that, primarily for detecting methane gas or fire damp. The M version came around, it was approved in 1950, and I'm assuming that the S version came along shortly after that. It works by a bimetallic strip that warms up due to the height of the flame. This bimetallic strip expands and touches a contact and lights up a bulb underneath. So in this red part there's a bulb, got a test button here, you see it lights up. I'll strip it apart now and show you the insides, and then we'll light it and we'll see if we can get the flame to I'll make the flame higher on purpose, and we'll see if we can get it to do its magic and light up the bulb. So we'll just unscrew the top version. The top version is like many of the old lamps. It has a glass ring in that holds the glass in place and the gauzes. I'm not going to take it apart, but you've got inside, for some reason there's 3 gauzes there. I presume it's a safety feature, but you've got your glass ring, your glass, and a nice aluminium bonnet. So here you've got your workings here. So you've got your wick there. The lamp burns paraffin or lamp oil. You've got 2 prongs here, which when the flame gets to a certain height, if there's methane in the air, the flame will increase in height, and the prongs conduct the heat, and it travels up this shaft here and to this bimetallic coil, and it'll uncoil and it'll press that contact in there, and when that contact gets pressed in there, the light below illuminates. Some of the newer models of the Spiralarm, which were used right into the 90s, probably early 2000s, they had a buzzer on as an audio warning. This one hasn't got a buzzer. Just done showing the bottom. This lifts out now. So you've got the battery. I'm using a lithium one. The original is hard to get. You've got the bulb that illuminates, and then you've got the wick adjuster there. You've got painted glass, it's painted red for danger, and then you've got a mirror there that you can, when you were lowering the lamp down a manhole, you could see if the flame or the bulb was illuminated. Also, I believe you could put a piece of chemical paper. I don't think it was litmus paper, but there was another paper that you could get, and it reacted to another gas in the air, and so the paper would react to the gas in the air, and it would tell miners if there was another dangerous gas there. Not quite sure which gas it is, but I'll look that up. So we'll put this back together now, and then we'll see if we can get the flame to light up the bulb. So let's just zoom out a little bit there now. We'll just put this back together. That's lit up there. I'll just try it without the top on for now, and we'll just see if it'll do its magic. So the flame is quite high there, so it's touching the prong, so that should warm up pretty quickly. fact, we'll put the lamp top on and see if that speeds it up. Flame might be too high for that actually, because it's smoking. Let me just turn this down a bit and then we'll get the top on it. Right, so the flame stopped smoking there. We'll just put this top on and see if we can just get it to do its business. So as with a lot of old lamps, just put the top on it before you screw it in, just let the air start circulating and just give it a blow. I'll just see if that'll keep going. So we'll just turn it up a bit now. And hopefully you can just see in there the contact is just, it's just behind the bar there, but I think that's just going to touch pretty soon. Just turn the flame up just to try to get it to work a bit quicker. So the purpose of putting the flame up is to simulate there's methane in the air, and it's making the flame burn brighter and hotter, and hopefully that bimetallic strip should be uncoiling. So I can see that the plunger, whatever it's called, is it's touching, and now it's just lit up the bulb. So if this was down a sewer, the men would hopefully see that it's lit up red, danger, and they would evacuate to a place of safety. So I'll just turn this flame down, and hopefully that'll go off in a minute or two. But that is essentially how the Spiralarm works, and it's been a bit of a faff to show you guys how it works, but that is the theory behind it. So I'm on the lookout for an M-type Spiralarm. The difference between the mining one and the sewer one is that the mining one's got it's got a magnetic lock on it, like old true modern day miners lamps. It's got a lock on it so you can't open it underground. But yeah, that is the S-type Spiralarm. Still lit up. That'll take a while for it to cool down. So if you've got any questions, just leave it in the comment boxes below, and thank you for watching. Sorry it's taking so long to get this one to work, but take care for now, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.